Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Pixelfed app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Pixelfed is a decentralized, privacy-focused photo sharing platform that serves as an alternative to Instagram. It operates on the ActivityPub protocol, allowing users to interact across various federated platforms like Mastodon. Now, getting started with Pixelfed, so what we need to do is make sure we've got Pixelfed download installed on our device. So from here, do a search in your apps or game store, search for Pixelfed, and then we need to go ahead and download and install Pixelfed. Once you've done that, we need to open it up. And once you've opened up for the first time, we can either log in or sign up, but I'm going to show you how to sign up. So click on the sign up button, then it will say choose a server to join. So there's 4 different servers here, as you can see. So because Pixelfed is decentralized, meaning it's hosted on multiple services or servers instances, and each server operates independently but connects through the Fediverse. Popular instances include the Pixelfed Social or Gram Social. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to choose the popular one here, and then it will say sign up on pixelfed.social. So I'm going to click onto that button. Then we need to put in our email address here and then click send verification code. Then after that, you need to go ahead and check your email and put in the 6-digit verification code to verify your account. So I'm inside my emails. Here's my 6-digit code. So I'm just going to copy this code and now head back to Pixelfed. Then I'm going to click verify to verify my account. Then from here, we need to complete your profile. So put in our username, display name, and a password, and then click create account. I'll see you on the next slide. Then from here, we can personalize our profile. So we can put in a photo, so a profile picture, and you can write a short bio and then click on complete profile, or you can simply skip for now. All right, so once you've done that, you'll be taken to the main page, homepage of Pixelfed. You can see it's kind of got like an Instagram looking user interface here. Now, if you want to go ahead and upload photos or videos from here, click on the plus icon on the bottom of the page, and then you'll be taken to new posts, and then it'll say share your moment. So I'm just going to say welcome. Now, if I want to go ahead and take a photo, I can, or if I want to upload a photo, I can as well. So I'm just going to upload a photo. I'm just going to choose this photo. This is just for demonstration purposes. And once you upload it, it will appear below the text. And now they've got this little button next to the camera. So if we click that, it will say you mark this post as sensitive. It will be hidden behind a warning before media is displayed. So if you want that on, you can turn that on. And now if you made a mistake or put the wrong image in, we can go ahead and edit that. So you can click on that light edit button below that, and we can click remove and then re-upload the proper photo or video. I'm just going to cancel this. Now from here, I'm just going to simply go ahead and click on post, and it says posting, please wait. And then it should appear on the home page, uploading new post, please wait. So here it is here, the image. And if I go to my profile, user profile, this is my user profile. As I said, it kind of looks very similar to Instagram, in my opinion. All right, so if we go back to the home page here, and if on the top we've got messages, search, and I've also got a discover button. So if we click on discover, you can explore trending tags if you like, popular accounts, what's trending today, swipe left to right, popular around the Fediverse. So again, we can have a look what's popular. I'm going to head back. If you want to view your direct messages, go ahead and click on the mailbox and you can see all your direct messages here. And if you want to send a direct message, go ahead and click on the plus icon top right hand corner of the page and then search by username, web finder, etc. And then you can send a new direct message if you like. And if we want to go ahead and search anything in Pixelfed, click on the search button and you can search by hashtag, profile, or URL. Okay, so if we look down on the bottom of the page here, we've got different buttons. So you can see your feed next to home. Your local feed's going to be here. We go left to right. We've got obviously add post or videos on the plus button, and we've got notification button here. So notifications will appear here. If we head back to our user account, we can go have a bit of a look in here. So once we're inside our user account, we can see things we've liked or hearted. So all your likes are going to be here. If we click on this button, you're going to see all your bookmarks are going to appear here. And then on this one, you're going to see your lists. And we can go ahead and edit our profile on this page. So we can change our name, bio, and put a website if you like. And you can update or delete profile photo. If we click on the hamburger icon, this is going to give you more settings, so you can, your avatar bio, followed hashtags, privacy, legal, delete account if you like, push notifications. You can change them here, so new followers, likes, etc.